Alright everybody, let's go install that second beehive. So here is hive number 2. We know everything is positioned this time, so this will be better for the queen. I forgot that the queen was stapled onto the box the last time, so I was shaking the bees out, and the queen is getting a good shake too. Alright, so this time around I'm going to try to let the queen out a lot more subtly. That's subtly with a T, not a B. Important documents enclosed. Haha. I don't think the bees want to read that. So I know the queen is right here now. So no, I'm going to loosen up that. That'll be better. There she is. Trying to find a place to put that. Look at that. There's the queen. The queen is out.